Hi, this is the third part of the DAR workflow walkthrough. This one we look at voting and then the confirmation stage as well. So voting only occurs if the DAR has a methodology of either voting or hybrid. So hybrid also does the evaluation stage, but the decision is based on the, the vote at the end. This should be a little interesting because it shows an example of where you might use hybrid and where hybrid's useful uh, as a methodology, even though you're still doing a evaluation stage. And then we'll show the confirmation stage, which is the final stage before closing the DAR. Okay, I'm going to sign in as engineer Anne. She's set up as the voter in this case for this DAR. So I'll go to login, select engineer Anne. And now if I go to my DARs, I'll see that select programming language is a DAR for engineer Anne, and the action indicated by a tick is to vote for the solution. So I'll go in to vote for the solution. Initially there's no vote selected, but the two other solutions that we're going to vote for are shown there, as well as an area to put a comment about the vote. So this is a hybrid methodology for the DAR. Which means we went through an evaluation first. So normally as a voter I'd probably look at that evaluation and base my vote on that. We see down there the details about the voting is shown, and JavaScript and Firebase has been selected. But in this case, because we made this hybrid, there may be other external factors that come into play. So I'm going to say that we've just found out that Microsoft will be buying the company. So in that case, C# and Azure is a better fit for the new owners. So this is a case where voting was useful because it allowed the selection of the best solution based on new information that wasn't in the original criteria. So I'm going to select C# and Azure. We've got the comment in there. And now if I go back to my DARs and look at the printout, we see that the vote's been made and the comments in there for the next person who's going to work on this DAR. The next action will be for the stakeholders to confirm the DAR was done properly and can be closed out. So to do that, I'm going to log out, and then I'm going to log in as the VP of Sales. So first I'll move the status on. So I'm going to log in as the DAR owner, PM Mark. Okay, look at my DARs, go into actions. So it looks like I've got to choose what was voted for, and then I can move it on to confirm. And so we just need the people to confirm it now to move it on to the last stage. So let's go back to my DARs. We see now it's a confirm stage. If we look at the full view of it, we see that the solution's been chosen as well, so it's all ready for confirmation. I'm going to log out and log in as the person who's confirming it, which is the VP of Sales. So if I go in here, look at my DARs, so as VP of Sales, we can always see who we are up in the top right hand corner. For that DAR now, we see it's in the confirm state, and in this case we've got an action of 2 ticks, which is the confirmation action. So I'm going in here. What we can put into the confirm is just an indicator that we've confirmed, we've read through the DAR and the process, and we agree with the solution that was chosen. We can also put a comment in, so this is useful for reviewing the DAR later on to make sure that everything was done and the stakeholders agree with the solution. So we've confirmed it, we've added a comment. So I can go back to my DARs. We see it's still in confirm stage. At this stage, the owner of the DAR can now close it out. The DAR is complete. So I'm going to log out and log back in as the owner, which is Project Manager Mark. Now if I look at my DARs, I see it's in confirm status. So I'm going to go and edit the DAR one more time and change it to closed. I'll go back to my DARs. You'll notice that my DARs only shows active DARs, so because it's closed it's no longer shown in the active. But if I ever want to see the closed DARs, I can specifically select that that status and can see the closed ones as well. And I can also print it out. So I can go to the DAR view and I get a full listing where I can expand everything and then print out a full record of what went on as well, including the comments.